solve for x. Now, what is the solution for this? Today we are going to solve for x plus 1 is equals to 82x minus 1. Okay, how do we deal with it? Now, we want to make the base the same. The base of this is 4x plus 1. The base on this side is 8. So we're going to say 4 is equals to 2 squared. All right. Okay, now 8 is equals to 2 cube root. All right, now let's go down with it. Now we're going to say 2 x plus 1 is equals to 3 2x minus 3. And then how do we deal with it? You're going to say n is equals to mn. So let's apply this. When you apply this, you are going to say, 2 x plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 3. And then, what's going to happen? Let's first say left side. Our left side. This is our left side. 2x plus 1 is equals to 2x plus 2. All right, the second one is our right side. Now, our right side is 2x minus 3, which is equals to 6x minus 9. All right, now let's go down with it. When we go down with it, we're going to put back our exponent. 2x plus 2 is equals to 6x minus 9. So what's happening? The base are the same. We add the exponents. The bases are the same. We drop the exponent. Base are the same. Base are the same. So how do you drop? Which are the exponents? 2x plus 2 is equals to 2x plus 2 is equals to 6x minus 9. All right, now what's going to happen is that these are the light items. These are the light items. So let's group them. 2x minus 6x minus 2 plus 2 or minus 2 whenever is equals to minus 9 minus 2. So this is equals to minus 4x. This is equals to minus 11. All right. So now how do we deal with it? Now we are going to say minus 4x minus 4 minus 11 minus 4. 4 cancel this. X is equals to minus cancel minus 11 over 4. It's our answer. Now we got the answer. We want to verify. Now let's verify. Remember we had 4x plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 3. All right. X is equals to 11 over 4. So let's verify. Verification says 4 11 over 4 plus 1 is equals to 2. I'm giving 2, 2. 11 over 4 minus 3. All right. Let's punch this into the calculator. This gives us 8. This gives us 8, 2,5 is equals to 2 over 7. All right. 5. Now, when you punch this into the calculator, it will give you the same thing, which is this side is equals to this side. 27,5 is equals to 27,5. That is our final answer. Now let's see this for the last time now. All right, it's fine. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Now, thank you very much for watching this. Comment, like, share, and do everything.